The ASUS Ascent GX10 AI is about to change your life, literally. Imagine having an AI supercomputer that's smaller than a toaster, yet packs more power than most gaming rigs. That's what you get with the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI. This tiny titan unleashes petaFLOP scale AI on your desktop, making it perfect for developers, AI researchers, and data scientists who want to ignite local AI breakthroughs. But how does it do that? Well, let me take you through its incredible specs. First off, the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI is powered by NVIDIA's GB10 Grace Blackwell Superchip, which delivers an insane 1 petaFLOP of AI performance. That means it can handle complex machine learning tasks in seconds, not hours or days. And with 128 gigabytes of memory for fine-tuning model weights, you can train your own AI models without breaking the bank. Now, I know what you're thinking, what does that even mean? In plain English, the GB10 Superchip is like a superpower for your computer's brain. It helps it learn and improve faster than ever before, making it perfect for tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, and more. But what really sets the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI apart is its developer-optimized platform. This means it's designed specifically with AI developers in mind, supporting frameworks like OpenClaw and NemoClaw that make it easy to build secure, long-running agentic workflows. With private on-device inference, sandboxed execution, and governed data access, you can focus on building your AI without worrying about the underlying tech. And let's not forget about scalability, something that's often a major bottleneck in AI development. The ASUS Ascent GX10 AI features NVIDIA NVLink C2C for ultra-fast CPU-GPU memory communication and NVIDIA ConnectX-7 networking to support dual GX10 system stacking, unlocking superior performance and flexibility. But what really gets me excited is the advanced thermal design. Engineered cooling ensures sustained high performance and reliability in an ultra-small form factor, essentially making this thing a desktop AI supercomputer that's also a compact powerhouse. And then there's the full-stack AI solution, which includes the NVIDIA AI software stack. This means you get everything you need to build, deploy, and manage your own AI models, all in one convenient package. The ASUS Ascent GX10 AI is not just a machine, it's a game-changer for anyone who wants to unlock the power of AI without breaking the bank or sacrificing performance. Trust me when I say that this thing will revolutionize the way you work and create.